In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira and Confluence. We're going to walk through a simple way to bring Jira work items directly into a Confluence page. This is useful when you want your documentation and your project tracking to stay connected in one place. Instead of switching back and forth between tools, you can show the relevant task right inside your Confluence content. To begin, open Confluence and go to the page where you want to add the Jira item. Make sure your cursor is placed in the exact spot where you want that item to appear. This helps keep your page organized, especially if you're building notes, project updates, or team documentation. Once you're in the page, type /. This opens Confluence's Quick Insert menu, which is one of the fastest ways to add content, blocks, and integrations. After typing the /, start typing the word Jira. As you type, Confluence will narrow down the available options for you, making it easier to find the correct tool without scrolling through a long list. When you see the option called Jira Work Items, click it. This tells Confluence that you want to embed or link work from Jira directly into the page. It's a convenient feature because it helps keep tasks visible to anyone reading the document, and it reduces the need to manually copy and paste issue details. Next, click the project field and choose the project you want to pull the task from. Be sure to select the correct project, especially if your team works across multiple boards or workspaces. Choosing the right project first makes it much easier to find the task you need and prevents confusion later. After that, select the specific task or work item you want to include. Take a moment here to confirm you've chosen the right one, since this is what will appear on the page for your team to reference. Once the task is selected, click Insert. At this point, the Jira work item will be added into your Confluence page. This gives your document a live connection to the task, which can make collaboration much smoother. It's especially helpful for status pages, planning docs, meeting notes, and project summaries where everyone needs quick visibility into what's being worked on. And that's it. You've successfully added a Jira work item into Confluence. It's a quick workflow, but it can make your documentation much more useful and connected.